wash my hands and I start preparing dinner, of course, because you know, that's the first thing you wanna do, like eat. That's what I think the whole day. I just wanna eat all day. So just a little disclaimer here. What I like to do before I leave is defrost whatever I'm making for dinner in the morning, so I leave it out or I leave it in the fridge, or my fiance prepared dinner, so depending who gets home first. And today I'm planning to prepare pork because Josh loves pork. I'm not a big fan of pork, but he loves pork. And I'm gonna make some Colombian arepas to mix with this pork, and it's like delicious, so let's see. Usually make this pork shoulder, which is super easy, already seasoned, and I just need to put it in the oven for 2.5 hours, and that's it. I don't have to add anything else, so it's just perfect. Pork is almost ready, and as you can see, it's also shredded, so it's super easy to make the arepas and stuff them with the pork. And I wish you could smell this. It's amazing, amazing. (7:30), almost 8 p.m. and we like to watch Netflix while we eat. So here I am trying the arepas and watching a show with Josh. Now the fun part. Time to clean up the kitchen, which is my least favorite, but thanks God Josh is very helpful, so here he is helping me to put everything away. Time to remove all the makeup I have on right now, take a shower, get comfy in my bed, so let's do it. Josh is right now playing video games. He sometimes does that at night, and while he does that, I just like to read and relax and just like take out all the stress coming from the whole day or anything that is around my mind. I like to put my diffuser on, put a little bit of essence, usually peppermint. And right now I'm reading a book by Isabel Allende. So I will read the book and then he probably is gonna be done at 9. It's right now it's 8:40. So after that I will probably watch a show with him and then go to bed. Okay, I'm officially ready to go to bed. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope you like this routine. Leave me in the comments below if you have something similar to this. I'm just exhausted. I can't wait to sleep. So see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this video, and see you next one.